Welcome to Denbigh Library. Drop in to choose, collect and return books. When you visit the library, we will ask you to wear a mask and sanitise your hands. Return your books here. Our order and collect service is still available if you prefer to request books in advance, and we will have them ready for you to collect. If you prefer, you are welcome to choose your own books. Please keep a safe distance from other customers. Use our self-service terminal to borrow books, or see a member of staff. Our team are available to help with book queries or council one-stop shop services. There are screens around the counters and staff wear masks. Use the kiosk to pay council tax and other payments. You can also use our socially distanced PCs for internet access. Our photocopying and printing services are available. Our home library service is available if you can't make it to the library. We look forward to welcoming you soon.